I think Ma'am Kirklea, it's more of like nagsimula siya I think noong ano, um, noong patapos na yung Pinoy administration. Kasi we understand the fact na Mama Sapano and the PITAF scam was the biggest turnback ng Pinoy administration. Pabagsak yun sa trust rating niya. And I think nagkaroon ng shift ang thinking ng tao sa politics with name recall or name branding. Ang sabi nila, "Basta pamilya ka ng ganito, hindi ka na namin iboboto." Kaya nung pumasok si Duterte, the the rebranding of a politician that doesn't even know anyone in Luzon or Visayas, Davao lang talaga, even Mindanao, they doesn't even know Duterte. Pero I think the branding of a mayor na nagmumura, a branding of mayor na hindi kilala, pero tight and grip sa law and order, yun yung parang ano, malapit sa appetite ng tao. Yung sikmura, "O gusto namin ng ganito para walang korapsyon, walang poverty." And I think nakuha niya yung kiliti na yun. And alam natin that the presidents before him was very demure, hindi nagmumura, very politician, may filter yung pero nung dumating siya, nayanig lahat, And I remember even Obama was surprised kung paano niya minura si Obama ng ilang beses ata.
I heard he's a very colorful character. Yun na lang
Yeah,
yung masasabi niya kasi how else could he respond na middle fingers, hindi ba?
oo. And alam po natin, even from the time na 'di ba po yung nagpasa ng COC sila 'di ba? Una nagpasa muna yung parang, substitute niya. Tapos nung bandang huling araw na nung COC, nagpalit sila. Si Duterte yung naging ano, bearer ng PDP. The way that everything was packaged was very smooth to a point of even the Liberal Party jumped right away wagon ni Duterte. And you can also see even the group of Lakas po ba yun yung kay Gloria? Ano bang
Lakas
political party
NUCD ba
nila?
yun? Yung
Yu
kay
yung
Bong
kaila
Revilla?
Gloria, oo, kaila Bong Revilla, even them, they jump towards Duterte. And even Atom Ang, 'di ba po nakwento pa 'yun, yung eroplano daw na ginagamit niya from Davao
Hmm,
to Manila is
mhm.
Atom Ang's, plane. Ang daming nag-jump towards sa kanya pero he was like ano, para siyang gatecrasher sa isang party ng mga elite, ng mga dilawan dati na pupugsain ko kayo, walang matawid, kung hindi lahat
Mhm.
ng drug pusher mamamatay. Naging message. More of like, lagi ko 'to sinasabi sa mga tao pagka pinag-uusapan sino ba magiging tatakbong presidente. It's not usually qualification ang hinahanap ko, personally. Ang hinahanap ko yung ano, winnability. At ang winnability ang daming factor. Ma Nakaka-relate ka ba sa tao, simple, kakain, nangunguya. Hindi maraming komplikasyon, baggage, political baggage. Duterte has no political baggage and we prove that. Wala po siyang ano, wala siyang magulang, which is sinasabi before, mamaya Aquino na naman 'yan o kaya 'di ba, Marcos. Even 'di ba nakita natin yung survey, Grace po ang mataas dun sa survey tsaka si Mar Rojas. Nung pumasok si Duterte, nilampaso niya lahat, even from 2 days before election.
Stuff that we know now.
Correct, correct.
Things that he did when he was a prosecutor.